Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete and restore pages in Notion. Whether you're cleaning up old projects or simply organizing your workspace, knowing how to manage your pages effectively will keep your Notion environment tidy and efficient. Let's jump right in. First, go to your Notion workspace and open the sidebar. This is where all your pages and databases live, so you'll have a clear view of everything you're working with. Once you have the sidebar open, hover over the page you want to delete. When you do this, you'll notice some additional options appear next to the page name. Next, click the three-dot menu that appears beside the page. This menu icon looks like minus and gives you access to various actions you can perform on that specific page. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Move to Trash. This action will immediately send the page to your Notion trash, removing it from your active workspace without permanently deleting it. This is a safety feature that allows you to recover pages if you change your mind later. Now, if you want to check what's in your trash or restore a deleted page, scroll down on the left sidebar until you see the trash option. Click on it to open the trash menu. This is where all your deleted pages are stored temporarily, giving you a chance to review what's been removed before making any permanent decisions. Inside the trash menu, you'll see a list of all the pages you've deleted. Here's where you have two options. If you want to permanently delete a page and remove it from Notion entirely, click the trash icon beside the item. This action is irreversible, so make sure you're certain before proceeding. On the other hand, if you want to restore a page, simply click the arrow button next to it. This will move the page back to its original location in your workspace, exactly where it was before you deleted it. Finally, head back to your main workspace and check the restored page to make sure it's back in the right spot with all its content intact. And that's it. Managing pages in Notion becomes much easier once you know how the trash system works, giving you the flexibility to clean up your workspace without worrying about losing important information. Thanks for watching.